The upper function is very helpful. Upper function will convert all your text into uppercase. You can use upper function and you can select the cell and press enter. So it will convert all your text, whatever the form is, it will convert into the uppercase form. So you can do now copy and paste, enter, or you can select the cell and you can take it down all the way and you can press Ctrl D. So with the duplication, you will duplicate the formula, and wherever the text is there, it will convert into the upper form, but the number remain the same because number has no upper, lower, proper form.